our YouTube channel. If you're just new to our channel, don't forget to
like,
subscribe,
and hit the notification bell
for future videos.
yay!
Ay, andyan pa pala sila. Hello guys, and welcome again and again and again. And we have a box in front of us, which means
It's unboxing time!
oh yay! Okay, as you can see, it's so clear. This box came from Young Living. Very young, just like me. Now, let's see what's inside this box. I think kunwari hindi alam. I think these are essential oils. Yun yung nakalagay sa box. Young Living essential oils.
So it's essential to our lives.
Yes, it is essential. Just like me, I'm essential to your life. Okay. But first, what are essential oils?
Essential oils are aromatic concentrated plant extracts that are obtained by steam distillation or cold pressing or resin tapping.
Resin tapping.
Resin tapping.
Ano yun?
Yung nabibiling yung makulubot, yung kinakain mo, gano'n, yung pasas.
Resin.
At resin pala yun.
Okay, so, how do we use these essential oils?
Actually, there are many ways. One is through inhalation.
Amoy utot.
So you can inhale them or use a diffuser.
Actually, we haven't used it yet. Yes, but we have read lots of good feedback about the essential oils of Young Living. Kaya naman, na-convince ang Zulueta family.
Para maging young naman yung itsura ko.
Oo, kasi Young Living nakakabata. Eh, bata naman na
Ayun,
itsura
parang
ko.
baby face. Baby face.
Okay, now, get your trusty blade and start cutting this up. Okay, let's do this.
Yay! Paper? Paper lang laman mo?
Paper lang ang laman niya.
Paper lang yung laman niya.
Huh?
Ayan lang siya. Oh.
There's a box. There's a box. And book only?
This is the brochure. Product price
Price list. Oh, so ibig sabihin magbibenta ako nito. Let's see.
This is the brochure. Product guide.
Product
This is
guide.
The guide for the product.
Okay. Okay. Let's start. So these are the oils, I think. In fairness, packaging wise, it's very nice packaging. High quality of box. Ayan, ganda. Okay, and then maybe this is the diffuser. Okay, let's check what's inside this box muna. Let's see.
Paper again?
Paper again.
This is your paper. Look, it's a small paper booklet.
Booklet about the diffuser on how we are going to use it. Open it.
It's an egg!
It's an egg.
It's an egg. Egg. Ano yung egg?
Lalagyan ng egg. Egg crate.
Maybe it's a big egg.
Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Wait lang, naka-tape pala.
In 3, 2, 1. Open! Whoa! It's a lantern diffuser. Look at that. It's so pretty. I love it.
How do you use this one?
Look at that. So cute. Oh, oh, cute. Oh, so pretty. Ayun na. Okay, next. Okay. Look at that. Look at this packaging. It's so pretty. It's like an invitation to a wedding.
But it's a surprise.
It's a surprise. Okay, it's like an invitation. Look at that. It's so pretty. And then it says here, over 25 years of quality commitment. So it means that Young Living has been here on Earth for 25 years serving the community. Wow! Beke naman, Young Living. You can make me a commercial model, no? Okay, so it says here, for over 25 years, Young Living has been committed to bring you the highest quality products. Let's see. And this seed-to-seal commitment is also a reflection of our sense of global stewardship and accountability. So seed-to-seal, it means they have their own farm. So sila lahat, may sarili silang farm. Farmville. Okay, let's open this. Surprise! Another box. Wala pa rin, besh.
Baka palit ng palit yan, no?
Baka palit ng palit to. Ganyan lang pala yung product, ano? So, maliit pa rin siya.
This is still a paper.
Oh, wait lang. Wait lang.
Ayan pala.
Show it to them.
That's the seed-to-seal logo.
Okay, wait, anak. Let's see. It's not a slogan. Slogan?
Logo.
It's not a slogan. It's our calling. Ready? And in 3, 2, 1. Ang bango. In fairness. Wala pang ano ha. Wala pa tayong dinadrop. Ang bango.
Oo nga, no?
Ang bango. Ang mayaman, Bash. In fairness, nakakayaman. Ano to? Wait, a paper again?
A paper again?
Baka invitation.
Paper again.
Essential oils at a glance. Oh! It has a brochure on what are the things inside and their use.
Yung mga descriptions and
Yes, we
uses.
have the descriptions on how to use these oils.
Dapat
Okay,
natin-
let's start. We have how many oils? Let's
How many
count.
oils? Count,
Count, anak.
10.
Whoa, 10?
Talaga
Really?
ba? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job!
Wow.
Galing ng anak ko. Iba! Okay, so we have 10 essential oils. And it's clearly written on this page on how will you use it and what it is for.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with RC. Ayan,
RC.
RC. Hanapin natin si RC.
Hindi ba yun yung
RC
artista?
Munoz.
Oo.
Charot.
Here.
Okay, RC. It is used after your workout daw to help you stay motivated. Kailangan ko yung nag-workout ako eh. Alam niyo naman, sexy tayo. Okay, next. We have Valor. Valor. Where is Valor?
Ito, Valor. Ito, Valor natin.
natin. Maganda yung Valor.
Flower.
Okay, Valor. It says here, this Valor, it has a woodsy, grounding aroma that is great for massages and other topical and aromatic uses. So, it has a calming aroma that supports emotional balance and encourages confidence. Oh my gosh.
What's the third one?
Pag inamoy ko to, baka sobrang confident na ako. Makita nyo ako, nasa TV na talaga ako. Iba. Okay, next, we have thieves. Thieves! Magnanakaw! Thieves!
What?
Feeling ko, makakapag-rob tayo ng bangko pag naamoy natin yung thieves.
Nanakawin ko yung puso mo.
Sabi ko na
Leaves!
po ako.
Leaves! And
Thieves, anak, hindi thieves. For thieves, it says here that it's a core ingredient in our home cleaning and personal care products. So it is diffused to help create a cozy, peaceful environment. Add a few drops to your dishwasher, dishwater, to eliminate odors and boost cleaning. Oh, magiging malinis tayo. Amoy malinis kapag ginamit natin ito. Next, we have orange.
Orange.
Because it's orange. Okay, orange. Like other citrus essential oils, it contains the beneficial compound of D-limonene. So, citrus aroma and flavor. Feeling ko pwede rin to sa pang-boost ng immune system. Like, kasi orange
Ascorbic acid. Diba?
Ascorbic acid. Okay, next. Ano ba yung isa? Frankincense, sabi niya. Diffuse frankincense to enrich prayer, yoga, or meditation and create a deeper spiritual connection. Oh,
Kaya pala frankincense.
It can be used din daw sa pag-massage. What's next? Lavender.
Lavender.
I think this would be my favorite. Kahit di ko pa nagagamit. Lavender is universally regarded as one of the most powerful and versatile essential oils, and the uses for this plant are almost endless. Madami nga akong nabasa about sa lavender na ano siya,
Lavender
kung di ka
is-
makatulog, makarelax ka, tapos sinasama din siya sa ibang oils para may magamot, yung may mga may allergies, ganyan.
Lavender is
Kailangan ko yan kasi may ano, di ba?
Oo, yes.
Allergy rhinitis.
True. Apply 2 to 4 drops of lavender to skin to moisturize and give skin a natural glow. Wow. Okay, next we have lemon. Lemon is commonly used in skin and hair products to reduce the appearance of blemishes and add shine to hair. Oh, baka pwede na ako maging model ng hair.
Ako.
Ito pwede ko ilagay sa'yo, baka dumami yung hair mo. Okay, next, we have Panaway. Panaway is a cooling blend and has a refreshing scent that is uplifting during moments of exhaustion. Apply topically after a strenuous workout for a refreshing cool down. Apply several drops onto bottoms of feet for a soothing, relaxing foot massage. And sabi nila, Panaway will take your pain away. Ganda no? Oh, Bekere Ben, Yang Living. Oh, pwede mo gamitin yun. Next, we have the dries. The dries. It says here that the dries features a rich, calming scent when diffused. Apply to the chest and abdomen to experience its comforting aroma. Kaya the dries, digestion. So kung medyo sakit yung tiyan mo, may indigestion ka, you can use the dries.
The dries.
So the dries the fufu out of your digestive system. Okay, nice on the dries. In fairness. Okay, next, last but not the least is your peppermint. Peppermint, it says here, inhale or apply to your chest before and during a tough workout for a stimulating scent. And I think this peppermint will help you clear your
Plug nose.
plug nose. You will be able to breathe well kapag ginamit mo tong peppermint.
Okay.
And may mga nag-claim din, mga nabasa ko that yun din, pwede rin din daw siya sa pain. Yeah. Okay. And now, we're done with these essential oils. Let's see what's under this oil. Kasi
may tab.
may tab eh. So, you have to see.
What?
There's nothing. Oh, there. Okay, we thought wala na siyang laman. So, we have this shampoo.
Yogurt.
The joke lang. It's not yogurt. This is Ningxia Red. Ganito kasi yung pambata na yogurt, di ba? Ningxia Red blends puree from selectively sourced Ningxia wolfberries with powerful superfruit extracts. I think this Ningxia is an antioxidant. Yes.
Okay.
So
There's
we'll
less-
see
there's
if
less-
what it can do to our
There's less more
body. I think
oil.
this is healthy, no?
There's
So
less
maybe
more
my
oil.
mother and my father could drink this one para mas healthy sila. Because I've read also sa mga ibang testimonies na it can also regulate your blood sugar. Don't know. So
Okay,
again,
we'll see.
we're not expert. We just
There's
some-
more oil
There's more
here.
oil. There are 2 more oils.
Okay! Oh, I thought it's just 10!
Stress oil and
10 oils. Meron pa?
peace and calming.
12.
11. So it has stress away and what's that?
Peace and calming.
Peace and calming. Okay, let's read. What is a stress away? So stress away, of course, self-explanatory. To remove your stress away. Ay, baka baligtad. Baka ako yung re-remove niya. Stress away. Oh. Ako wala yung stress sa life niya. Yes, okay? So it says here that you can diffuse the stress away for an aroma that encourages peaceful feelings. Marerelax ka. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, guys, to use these oils. Grabe. Kasi, promise, open mo pa lang siya. Ang bango na. Wala pang, hindi mo pa ginagamit. Mabango na siya.
Is this
And
sanitized?
it has also some roller.
Roller?
Kasi nga, di ba, we told them a while ago that you can use
Apply
this
it.
as aromatic, di ba, na diffuser,
Or
or topical.
This
So, it has a roller.
Di ba-
Rollers.
Is this
Sa dalawa.
Rollers.
Roller coasters. Tapos lalagyan mo sa kilikili.
roller coaster?
Nice! Meron na rin pala siya, in fairness dun sa pack na kinuha
Pwede
natin.
tayong sumakay po dyan, roller coaster eh. Roller coaster.
Oh, next! What's
Is this
next?
sanitized?
This one, hand sanitizer.
Yay,
right!
Thieves. Yes, you're
Ako.
right.
This is spray. Thieves
Spray.
spray.
Okay, let's see. It says here,
Thieves spray.
the Thieves hand sanitizer, of course. It will moisturize your skin and enrich your skin because it has hydrating benefits. Okay? And then, yung Thieves spray naman, the other one, is a portable essential oil spray ideal for cleaning small surfaces. So just one small spray will freshen your counter, your sink, door handles, toilets, and more using only naturally derived plant-based ingredients and a powerful spicy citrus scent of Thieves essential oil blend. Okay,
Okay.
let's try this. With peppermint oil, hand sanitizer.
Ang bango!
Bango?
Ang bango. Parang ka nasa spa. Ang bango. So, there you have it,
Do you want
guys.
sanitized? And then,
These are the products of Young Living. Okay, so there. So, you have to buy a starter bundle before you become a member. And when you become a member, you'll have 24% discount. So, yun. So, mas mura na siya after. Kasi alam mo yan, medyo pricey, but naman, feeling ko lang, yung quality naman kasi, para ka lang bumili ng mamahaling damit dun sa mumurahin damit. Siyempre, pag mumurahin, expect mo, di ba? You get what you paid for.
Yeah.
Di ba?
do you want
So,
a
there. So, I think this one would be a good one, no? So, we'll give you an update soon, and then we'll see the effect.
Yeah.
We'll see if
Kung mas
he will-
peaceful kami.
Peaceful ba kami?
Less stress.
Less stress ba? Kung siya ba'y makakatulog sa gabi kasi may rhinitis siya. Tapos, barado ilong niya. So,
Also
pag gabi, also me, yeah. Actually, the two of them, namana ni Heaven. So, that's why, convinced ako, okay, let's give it a try. Diba? What if tonight, when we sleep, mas peaceful yung kanilang sleep kasi hindi na barado yung ilong nila.
Yeah.
So, we'll see. Okay, so we'll see. Yeah, we'll give you an update.
Bye!
Bye!